In this demo, you will see how you can cross-probe between Allegro 3D Canvas and Allegro Design Entry CIS by changing the highlight modes. The schematic in the Design Entry CIS, the board file in PCB Editor, and the 3D Canvas are opened. The schematic and the layout are in sync. The objective is to cross-probe between the schematic and the 3D Canvas. Initially, no step models were present when the board was open in 3D Canvas. Set the display to place-bound shape by changing the options in Setup Preferences. The boundary shape source is set to the place-bound. The options chosen were to display both the boundary shape and the step model. In 3D Canvas, you can see the board with symbols shown along with their place-bound. Let's cross-probe parts first. Select Part U5. The Part U5 in 3D Canvas gets highlighted in Vanish mode. The Vanish mode is changed to Select mode to make the other parts visible. If you start selecting the components, the selected parts get highlighted in selection color and appear along with other 3D parts. You can change the highlight mode to Vanish, displaying only the selected components. The other highlight mode present is the Overlay mode. When this mode is selected, the selected components come forefront. Even if the view changed to bottom isometric, the selected part on top comes to the forefront at the bottom. Choose a few more components and change the highlight mode to dim. Moving the dim slider to 100% makes other parts appear gray. You can also cross-probe nets between the Allegro Design Entry CIS and the 3D Canvas. Set the highlight mode to Overlay. Select the address nets in the schematic. The net selected gets displayed on top of the ICs as shown in the Overlay mode. Alternatively, you can also select nets from the Nets form on the right side of the 3D Canvas. You can choose your net selection from the existing classification of nets such as buses, diff pairs, match groups, net classes, net groups, and X nets. Select the nets present in the bus D. You can see the selected nets in 3D Canvas. Similarly, choose the nets that belong to the bus BA. You can see the selected nets in the 3D Canvas. The other mode you can view the net is the Vanish mode. Select the Vanish mode, and if you choose the net from the Allegro Design Entry CIS, you can view only the selected nets and their vias in the 3D Canvas. To see how particular nets are routed in the design, you can alternatively use Vanish and Overlay mode. The nets belong to data, and the clock is selected to show in this fashion. Similarly, the net belonging to output is seen here. This concludes the demonstration of using highlight modes and cross-probe parts and nets between Allegro Design Entry CIS and Allegro 3D Canvas.